There's a special kind of magic that begins where the sky meets the sea, a promise of abundance and a taste of the wild, just waiting to be discovered.
And from that vast ocean, we bring home our treasure. This isn't just a fish, it's a canvas for flavor. Our secret? A vibrant, aromatic marinade, a symphony of ginger, garlic, chili, and lime. Every stroke infuses a promise of pure deliciousness. Now, for the real magic, the fire.
The dance of fire and flavor. The sizzle is the first note in our culinary symphony. That golden brown crust, those smoky whispers, it's all building to something incredible. And with a little help from some aromatic wood, we're not just grilling, we're crafting perfection. This isn't just food, it's an experience.
All right, the moment of truth. Look at this. It's absolutely stunning. The marinade, the smoke, it's all come together. I told you that extra chili would pay off, didn't I? You always say that, but seriously, the aroma alone is incredible. Let's dig in. Takes a bite. Oh my goodness, that's it. That's the one. The smoky flavor, the tenderness, the kick from the spices, it's just pure joy. The perfect balance. It tastes like sunshine and sea breeze. This reminds me of that trip we took to the coast last year, remember? Exactly. It's more than just a meal, isn't it? It's about bringing people together, sharing good food, and making memories. This is what it's all about. Cheers to good food and great company.